A group of researchers has published a paper about a new photo editing tool called DragGAin, which enables users to interactively resize images using artificial intelligence. Through DragGAin, one can distort the image with precise control of where the pixels go, thus manipulating the pose, size, expression, and layout of a wide variety of categories such as animals, cars, humans, landscapes, etc. Users can potentially alter the appearance and composition of images in ways that were previously challenging or time-consuming. Such technology could have a significant impact in a variety of fields, including graphic design, advertising, entertainment, and digital art. Such technology could have a significant impact in a variety of fields, including graphic design, advertising, entertainment, and digital art. It can enable artists, designers, and photographers to experiment with new visual concepts and create compelling and unique visuals. Additionally, it can be a valuable tool for researchers studying human perception, computer vision, and image understanding. However, without access to the specific research paper, it is difficult to provide more detailed information on the underlying techniques and limitations of DragGain. Nonetheless, the concept of an AI-powered photo editing tool with precise distortion control looks promising and has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with and modify images.